My friends, Smita Thakre, as an entrepreneur and as a well-known personality in the film industry as well as in the everybody knows her. So thanks for supporting me. विनोद कांबलेजी, तुम्हालाही आम्हाला खूप बरं वाटलं तुम्हाला वेलकम करून इकडे. पहिल्यांदा मी तुम्हाला भेटते, पण खूप मनापासून बरं वाटलं. सो थँक्स फॉर कमिंग. And other dignity also. Thanks for supporting us. Everybody is working in the wellness industry. As Mayakai mentioned, wellness education no one was knowing that time. From that time, this institution has been giving the education and creating the skilled manpower, which we have been hearing and talking lot. But now you can just realize that is 30 years back this institution has been supporting and creating the skilled manpower.
रेखा चौधरींच्या बद्दल त्यांनी आपल्या जीवनामध्ये अतिशय प्रतिकूल परिस्थितीवरती मात करून एका जीवनाचा आनंद घेण्याबरोबरच लोकांना सुद्धा आनंदी ठेवण्याचा हा उपक्रम हाती घेतला आणि त्यांना या देशाचं ब्रँड अँबॅसेडर केलं. तर निश्चित स्वरूपामध्ये त्यांच्याकडे पाहिल्यानंतर त्यांचे किती एफर्ट्स आहेत आणि ते किती आपण तर सुखी राहूच पण देशातल्या जनतेला देखील सुखी ठेवण्याचा त्यांचा जो हा प्रयत्न आहे त्याला मनापासून मी धन्यवाद देतो आणि मलाही या कार्यक्रमासाठी आपण उपस्थित ठेवलं त्याबद्दल मी आपल्याला मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो आणि माझे दोन शब्द संपवतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
For me, wellness, of course, related with mind, body, and soul. For me, soul, if your soul is happy, then definitely your wellness is very, very much on peak. For me being into the entertainment industry, I can say that wellness is entertainment. Because if you're happy, if you get entertain yourself with whatever you are doing in your life, whether you are taking massage, whether you are taking, you're listening music, whether you're dancing, whether you're doing yoga, everything which connects with your soul and which gives you happiness, which reflects on your face, reflects on your body. I believe yoga plays a lot of big role in my life for whatever I am today. I'm doing also a lot of things for yoga. There's yoga day also which is coming up, and me and Rekha we are joining hands, which is part of wellness. For me, I feel getting up in the morning or doing it in the night, whatever, whenever you get time, but devote yourself for your own body, for your own soul. This is what very, very important in everybody's life. Of course, our life is so busy. And minister, म्हणजे एवढे busy असून सुद्धा, I really want to give him a compliment. Being so busy that I could find him so fit. So I'm sure that, he must be doing something to keep himself fit for that. And I must tell JC also, who is also a very good friend of us, and how smartly he's taking care of, and of course he's encouraging this. So definitely he himself, I don't want to ask his age, but look at him. He's such a happy person whom I've been really knowing, taking care of his body and soul and being every time happy. Encouraging this particular business, which is really, of course, he's been in other businesses also. But I'm really so happy to be part of this, and I would like to definitely do something more and more for this particular, I shouldn't say cause, it's the best thing what everybody should do and incorporate yourself with this and make your life happy.
Music is a huge and a wonderful therapy. So जब आप सैड होते हैं तो आप म्यूज़िक सुने, कुछ हैप्पी म्यूज़िक सुनेंगे, इट विल डेफिनेटली एलिवेट यू. जब आपको एनर्जी चाहिए, यू कैन लिसन टू सम एनर्जेटिक सॉन्ग्स एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली एनर्जाइज यू. आई विल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट दैट विद माई गिटार. आई नो, आई फील दैट फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस. जब भी मैं परफॉर्म करती हूँ लाइव, आई फील दैट एनर्जी एक्सचेंज एंड आई सी पीपल गेटिंग exhilarated and enthused. So yes, music is very, very effective in your holistic well-being and your wellness. So it's great for meditation. People during doing yoga also use music. Gym में जाते हैं, when you exercise, music is a very, very cardinal part of the gym routine. So I'm happy, blessed that I have that with me and I can give that unto everybody else. And I'd like to, as a musician and as a singer, I'd like to contribute on this day and taken notes that I'd like to do a concert for Global Wellness Day, to celebrate Global Wellness Day. अभी मैं आपके लिए गाना गाने जा रही हूँ, which is called जिंदा हूँ मैं, which means I'm alive and kicking, to as a tribute to this Global Wellness Day. मौत शर्मिंदा जिस्म जान सब जिंदा है, हवा कफ्न है, सांसें दफन है, हवा कफ्न है, सांसें दफन है, मिट्टी मिट्टी है सब, जिंदा हूँ मैं आप सबके लिए, yes I'm alive, जिंदा हूँ मैं किसके लिए, yes I'm alive, चोट ये चुनिंदा, चोट ये चुनिंदा, ज़ख्म का शौक जिंदा है, नब्ज़ सर्द है, बढ़े दर्द है, नब्ज़ सर्द है, बढ़े दर्द है, मिट्टी मिट्टी है सब। आप सब मेरे साथ गाएं, जिंदा हूँ मैं,
जिंदा हो जाओ।
जिंदा हूँ मैं, I'm alive and जिंदा हूँ मैं। We feel so privileged to be part of this day, which is celebrating Global Wellness Day. The message that this day and this organization is in the process of spreading in the country and globally, which is about having a happy mind, happy soul and happy body by way of good eating habits, meditation, diet, yoga, and at the same time alternative therapies is we feel is such a need of the hour, because as a homeopath we are seeing that there is an alarming increase in people coming up with various problems, right from simple problems like cold, cough, asthma, till disabling diseases like cancers, autoimmune problems, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, cancers. And the most concerning is that something which was known to come up at an age over like 50, 60, we see that coming up in younger children. So see a lot of children coming up with cancers and disabling problems. And we feel that the message that this day is trying to spread in the country, which is the global wellness, is so important and such a need of the hour. And we feel and we are hoping that the government also supports this cause, also supports the cause that we are trying to spread, which is homeopathy, which is of course very dear to us. We have set up a non-for-profit organization in Andheri, and we are treating cases of autistic children, cancer cases, more and more challenging cases, because homeopathy also has made a lot of discoveries. And the head of our organization is Dr. Sankaran, who's a very well-known homeopath. And we feel that if alternative therapies and the motto that this organization is spreading, if they come together, a lot of good health can be brought to the people in our country, which eventually is also important for the growth of our country. And at the same time, if we understand that homeopathy itself is such a low-cost, effective medication as compared to modern medicine, which is bringing in
such high cost to the country's economy. So if such alternative therapies are also supported with this, it will make a huge difference in the health of people in this country.
मी एवढं सांगेन की फिटनेस लाईफस्टाईल आम्ही कशी जगतो, थोडा वेळ काढायला लागतो. आता मी स्मिता ताईंना सांगितलं होतं की मी 1 महिना मी गोव्यात राहायला गेलो होतो. खूप काही खाल्लं, क्रॅब जास्त खाल्ली, त्याच्यामुळे वजन थोडं वाढलं, पण दुःख होतं कारण की माझे जिमचे पण सेशन जे होते ते मिस झाले. त्याच्यानंतर खूप काही प्रोग्राम्स असतात. पण मी एवढंच सांगेन की आपण सगळे बोलतो योगा, मी मानतो योगा खूप मदत करते. पण आयुष्यात मी एवढं सांगेन की फिट राहणं किती इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. जसं आपण सकाळी उठल्यावर काय विचार करतो, पण मी एवढंच सांगेन की आपण देवाला सकाळी उठल्यावर आपण धन्यवाद देतो की नाही, की मला जिवंत ठेवलेस तू. रात्री झोपताना आपण धन्यवाद देतो की नाही, की आज चांगला दिवस गेला, काय वाईट पण गेला असेल. पण मी माझी फिलॉसॉफी आहे की मी देवाला दरवेळी मी धन्यवाद देतो सकाळी उठल्यावर, झोपायच्या अगोदर पण. आणि माझा एक मोटो आहे लाईफमध्ये, एकच सांगेन की जो हिट आहे, जो आणि माझं हेच आहे की जो फिट आहे तो हिट आहे. तर आणि वेलनेस डेच्या दिवशी आज खरोखर आपल्या भारतात आल्या आणि ती अवेअरनेस मला असं वाटतं की मी जसं शिवानी मी सांगितलं, सगळ्यांनी पुढाकार घेतलाय. मी संपूर्ण इंडियन टीमला पण सांगेन या अवेअरनेसबद्दल. बहुतेक जास्त ब्युटीला विराट कोहली धावत येईल आणि ब्युटी एक्सपर्ट आहे तो. पण एवढं सांगेन की आपली लाईफस्टाईल कशी असते, त्या लाईफस्टाईलवरती आपलं सगळं संपूर्ण आयुष्य असतं. आता स्मिता ताईने सांगितलं की डिसिप्लिन केवढं महत्त्व असतं. तर लाईफमध्ये डिसिप्लिन नसेल तर मी सांगेन तर काही नाही आहे. आणि सकाळी काय करतो, दुपारी काय करतो. पण मी एवढं सांगायचं की आपले ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरना, मी एवढे मिनिस्टर्स बघितलं पण सगळ्यात फिटेस्ट तुम्ही आहात. एवढं मिनिस्टर्सना मी बघितलं. आणि मी एवढंच सगळ्यांना अपील करतो की आपली लाईफस्टाईल सरळ ठेवा, डिसिप्लिनली राहू द्या. आणि एवढं सांगेन की देवाला विसरू नका. आता फिटनेस ट्रेनर येऊन मला दाखवलं फिटनेस कसं करायचं आणि कसं काय एक्सरसाइजेस वगैरे असतात.
I'm going to ask you to picturize 3 bands stacked upon each other. So at the bottom of the band, the bottommost band is bad health. The middle band is okay health. And at the top is perfect health. Today there is a multi-billion-dollar industry that purely exists in keeping you from falling into the lowermost band, moving you from okay health to perfect health. So I'm going to point out 3 cases. First is if you go to the website of Blue Cross Blue Shield, a very famous insurance company in the United States. If you go to their website, the first image you see is of a happy family. If you went to the same website a few years ago, you would see old people being helped by nurses, because that's what insurance companies were supposed to do. That is, help old people when they need hospital bills to be paid. But today it's no longer about that, it's about wellness. So that's why you see a happy family. Why do they need insurance, you would think? It's not about that. There's an opportunity in wellness management that every insurance company is now going into. They have moved out of disease management, they have moved out of care management, they are going to wellness management.
To be happy is very easy. Just get up in the morning, put your radio on. I have 3 radios at my house. I spend 20-25 minutes with me. Just on my floor. I do a little exercise. Look at me. Just look at me and be happy. That's what I want to spare. It is awareness I want to bring it to you. To be happy makes others happy also. Let us spread it.
आज ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे मनाया जा रहा है। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे मनाने के लिए 95 कंट्रीज़ ने यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया है। आज वो इंडिया में भी सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है कि आज जो ज़रूरत है कि वेलनेस डे मनाने की, इसलिए ज़रूरत है कि दिन ब दिन ये खाने का, रहने का जो तरीका आदमी का होता है, उनको बताना पड़ना चाहिए कि अपना जो हेल्थ है वो अच्छी रहना चाहिए, इसलिए उसकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। और हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर इंडिया के रेखा चौधरी ने वो ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। वो खुद ही अच्छी तरह से ये ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे के लिए बहुत एफर्ट्स दे रही है, बहुत काम कर रही है। और उनको देखते समय ऐसा लग रहा है कि खुद भी ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए और अच्छी तरह से अपना इंडिया का हेल्थ अच्छा रखना चाहिए।
नेचर के साथ रह के, और हम जो लेते थे कि मंदिर में या तो प्रेयर के साथ साथ जो हमारा कल्चर था कि गर्म पानी से नहाना और बेदिंग का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस था। सो एज ही इज़ मेंशनिंग करेक्टली, दैट इज़ हाइड्रोथेरेपी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले इन लाइफ, क्योंकि 70% अपने बॉडी में जो वाटर का प्रमाण है उससे जो रिलेटेड कुछ ट्रीटमेंट्स आप लोगे, दैट इज़ मीन्स द स्पा, सोलर पर एक्वा मीन्स वाटर थ्रू हीलिंग। ये जो स्पा का मीनिंग है, इसके लिए वेलनेस एंड स्पा गोज टुगेदर, दैट्स हाउ योगा एंड स्पा गो टुगेदर। और जो हमें आयुर्वेदा का हमें गिफ्ट मिला है अपने पूर्वजों से, दैट आयुर्वेदा also play very big role in our life. So that's the reason we are saying traditional medicine is so important. Not only just like going allopathy का कुछ हुआ, आपको दर्द होता है, immediately we just take the medicine today and we settle with that. So we want to encourage people, stop this very short roads, short path, and go properly, go and invest into nature. What was earlier, how people were healthy, how they were living their lifestyle, and we have to just follow that.
पहली बार ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे को सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। ऑफ कोर्स इसका मतलब ये है कि इंडिया बहुत ही सतर्क हो चुकी है वेलनेस के लिए, और हमारी वेलनेस एम्बेसडर जिनको चुना गया है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन लेडी है, रेखा चौधरी जी, और उन्होंने बहुत इस वेलनेस के लिए स्पाज में, ब्यूटी में इतना काम किया है। तो मेरे ख्याल से वो जो भी रूट से आई है, विलेज से आई है, तो वो रूट तक पहुंचने वाली एक औरत है। और आज की जो हमारी ज़िंदगी चल रही है, इतनी फास्ट ज़िंदगी में वेलनेस का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और मैं वही सोचते इस वेलनेस को सैल्यूट करती हूँ और इस वेलनेस को एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ। आप सभी को यही मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि आप सभी वेलनेस के लिए, अपने बॉडी के लिए, माइंड के लिए, सोल के लिए सोचिए, और ज़िंदगी के दिन के 5 मिनट भी इसके लिए आप अगर दो तो मेरे ख्याल से सभी को ये वेलनेस डे में एक ओथ लेके अपना कार्यभार शुरू करना चाहिए। मैं सभी को बधाई देना चाहूँगी, मैं रेखा जी को बधाई देना चाहूँगी।
I think we really need it here in India because, one thing which can actually affect everybody's success and personality in life is their fitness. I think Vinodji said a very wonderful thing. So even just a simple Om chant can actually, just 5 minutes of Om chanting can be great, set the tone for the day for all of you. And yes, and please try and do yoga also, because yoga is really a very, very 360-degree approach to being physically fit and mentally fit and spiritually fit.
The awareness is more important, and the first time we are celebrating, I think my best wishes are with them, because if you don't take the first step, otherwise you won't know. That's why I said, जो fit है वो hit है. So for fitness, it's not only for fitness, it's for everything. Enjoyment, your lifestyle, the wellness of we are talking about. It's so important nowadays in life. That's why I said in my speech also that discipline is so important in life. That it's like if I don't hit a gym, if I eat a lot and if I don't go to a gym, I should be feeling hurt, deeply hurt inside that I missed out on something. So their lifestyle is so much important in this kind of hectic world, and we have to discipline your life. You have to set some goal for the day. Only live for the day. You live for the day. So there automatically your lifespan will grow higher and higher. So my motto of life is I live for the day, and whatever I have to do, I thank God. That's what I said. I always thank God in the morning that for keeping me alive, and then before I sleep again I thank Him for whatever I've done, good or bad. I still thank Him and I praise Him because it's very important. It's important spiritually also to be fit. So my motto is I like stay healthy as well. Eat whatever you want to eat. A lot of people nowadays say that eat less. I have to burn 1,000 calories if I go to a gym. But if you eat only 100 and you burn more calories, you will be weak. So eat whatever you want to eat, but try to train every day. And in fact, this wellness is all about your lifestyle, and then how you take each and every day. Health is so important. It's very important. So I've been through when I retired. When I retired, I had so many problems with my health. I had some health issues, but I overcome it. I overcame it, and that's why I'm leading my normal lifestyle now, and I take every day as it comes.
I'm a happy person, and as that's the reason I have taken this so very happily. I am representing as an ambassador role in India, क्योंकि मेरा जो जर्नी है छोटे गांव से एक छोटे विलेज से आके इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे आज मुझे इतनी बड़ी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी दी गई है और मुझे एज अ इतने कंट्री में जाना जाता है, वो सब मेरा जो खुद का जो जर्नी है दैट हैज़ टॉट मी लॉट कि हमें खुद को कैसे हैप्पी रखना है. यू नो दैट इज सो मेनी पीपल विल बी लाफिंग, दे विल बी लाइक ऑन योर नेगेटिव पार्ट, बट हाउ यू हैव टू डेवलप योर सेल्फ. एनी वन इज टॉकिंग एनीथिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट यू, but you have to be positive. Take it positively, change yourself, make changes in your life, discipline your life. That's how I have done. I do every day yoga, I do cycling, I do lot of things, and of course social work I do lot.